Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to be trying out a makeup product from the Dollar Tree and from a brand that I'm not familiar with. This brand is called b.pure. And I saw a few other makeup products from this brand at the Dollar Tree, and I love trying out Dollar Tree makeup, and I love trying out new makeup brands. So I actually found this hydrating lipstick infused with rose oil in the front kind of Christmassy section. And I was like, ooh, these are cute. I chose the one with the red on top. It looked like there were other ones that I think were white. So I'm thinking maybe this one has a color to it and the other ones were clear. I mean, there's not much information on here to go off of, but my lips are very dry right now and this says it's infused with rose oil. So I'm hoping this will give my lips some hydration. The packaging on this is cute though, and I was kind of expecting it to be the type that you had to like push up, and then wow, I was not expecting it to be a bullet lipstick like this. I was expecting a lip balm. Okay, I'm gonna do a swatch because I'm very curious how much pigment this has. Oh gosh, this is like not like full pigment, that's kind of like half pigment. I would say, like on a scale to opaque, it's like halfway there. But I was not expecting this at all. It does smell like rose, how it has rose oil or rose hip in it. It smells really nice. Okay, let's see how it looks on my lips. I'm realizing now, like maybe I would have preferred the clear one, but this is what I've got. It's a pretty bright red. With this type of lipstick and this type of color, I definitely prefer to use a lip liner with it. So I'm trying to do my best, but I'm not getting a super smooth outline. So it really is like a nice kind of silky, hydrating lipstick, but I feel like there's going to be a lot of transfer, and I feel like this is not going to be long lasting, but it's actually very pretty on the lips. On my lips, I feel like it looks like full color because of my pink lips underneath, not like how I swatched it on my hand. And it's not clinging to the dry patches. It has a little bit of shine. So it's a very comfortable lip product. It kind of feels like a lip balm, but let's see how much transfer. Yeah, full kiss mark of transfer there, and that made it come off a lot. So as pretty as this is, I know that I'm not really going to wear it much because of how easily it comes off, but I paid $1.25 for this, and it's nice if that's what you're looking for, a red moisturizing bullet type of lipstick. And the packaging on this is so cute. So I'm excited to try out more products from this brand, b.pure. So if you've tried any other products from this brand, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them, if you have any recommendations. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.